Gala Games is preparing for a massive move, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be covering Gala Games once again, because I believe that either we are going to be having a massive pump or either we are going to be having a massive dump in the shorter time frames. I'm going to be explaining you some price targets which I have for Gala Games as well, so make sure guys watch this entire video. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because I'm getting closer and closer to 2000 subscribers and it would really mean a lot to me if we could get to that before this month ends. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and as you can see, or say for those of you who are new, I just want to clarify that I believe that this price point right over here at about 0.015 was the bear market low for Gala Games for the previous bear market rally. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. Now, we completed a wave 1 by pumping up almost 300%. We came down in a wave 2, which gave us returns of about negative 50%. And right now, we are in this third wave towards the upside. Now guys, I have repeated this previously on my channel as well, but I don't believe that we are going to be seeing some straight line movement for Gala Games in this massive third wave. I mean, even if you check out this price movement right over here, you can see that there were some ups and there were some downs as well, and just like that we are seeing right over here as well. So right now we are forming some really good 1-2 setups. So if you take this bottom as the starting of the first wave, so first towards the upside, second towards the downside, first towards the upside, second towards the downside. This is probably, or say most likely, a really good scenario for project in general. And I mean, things are looking pretty good inside the Gala ecosystem as well. A lot more updates are coming out on games. Gala is branching out into music. They are discovering more artists, more production on films, more updates, and the biggest update, which is the Gala version 2, is also launching on May 15th. If you guys want a separate video on that, make sure you guys comment it down below and I'll be sure to cover it entirely, because a lot of people are really confused on how they're going to be receiving their tokens. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys just comment it down below and I will be happy to make a full video on that if you guys are really interested in that. So guys, right now if you open the Fibonacci retracement levels, you will be able to see that at this moment we are practically in the middle of 2 resistance levels. So the first resistance level is located around 0.042 and the lower resistance level is located around 0.037. Now for the past couple of days, as you can see, we have been basically in the middle and we have been consolidating for quite some time now. Now even during this move, you can see we were trying to break above this resistance level. However, we were seeing some rejections coming into play and we basically consolidated, and in the end we decided to pump up, but as you can see we were followed by a dump towards the downside. Now guys, I personally believe that if Gala can cross this resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.050, we should be expecting some even higher prices for Gala, because if we check out from this moment onwards, so last time we had even went above this, you can see it has been like about 80 days or something like that, so practically 3 months, and we haven't really crossed this line as well. So the most important resistance level which Gala has to clear is located around 0.050, and if it breaks above this, I do expect higher prices for Gala games. My long-term target, or say my mid-term target for Gala, is located around 0.083 to about 0.10. That has been my targets for Gala games for this fifth Elliott wave. However guys, when we decide to pump, there is no guarantee how much high we can go, or if we dump, there is no guarantee how much low we can go. Now guys, I do believe that we are getting really close to this important resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.037. Now guys, if we break below this resistance level, I do believe that we are going to be retesting this support area as well, which was the wave 2 bottom. So I personally believe if this happens, this is going to be a really bearish scenario for Gala games in general. However, the likeliness of this happening is really low, since a lot of updates are coming for Gala, and only if, you know, everything goes wrong for Gala, the update does not work out, we see a lot of people, you know, just exiting out, that can be the only reason why, you know, we might even go to these prices right over here. However guys, I personally don't believe that this move towards the downside is the most likely one. Instead, the move towards the upside is the most likely one, and the scenario which I believe is going to be playing out as well. Now guys, let me show you some of the indicators, because they are showing us something really interesting. So guys, first of all, if we check out the RSI, you will be able to see that we are practically a little bit overbought. So we are 52 on the RSI scale, which is really good to see, because we are practically in the middle, but we are not really getting that much of a buying pressure or that much of a selling pressure. Now, if we check out the MACD indicator, this is where things get really interesting as well. So guys, on the MACD indicator, you can see that the buying pressure is getting stronger and stronger, which is really bullish news for Gala games in general. Now, if you check out the past couple of days, or say for 4 to 5 days, you will be able to see that the selling pressure hasn't really been coming at all since this massive selling pressure right over here. We saw a huge selling pressure right over here, but ever since then, we have been getting some constant buying pressure, which is really bullish for the projects in general, and really good news as well, because we are getting this type of movement before the update has even launched. So when the update gets launched, I do expect we are going to be seeing some higher prices for Gala games, and a lot more, you know, boning mechanisms are coming, a lot more update on games is also coming. And I personally believe this is just the starting of this massive project, and we are going to be pumping up in this year, we are going to be pumping up in the next year, because my personal targets for Gala, for those of you who don't already know, is around $2 to about $3 in the long run, which is really achievable for Gala if it just plays out exactly like it has been planning to do for the past couple of months. And yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.